पंतप्रधान नरेंद्र मोदींची नव्या वर्साच्या सुरवातेक दिल्ली ती मुलाखत पूर्व नियोजित आशिल्ली असो आरोप काँग्रेसीचे म्हणयारे जितेंद्र देशप्रभू हांणी केला. आरडेक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
Seen that interview or the so-called a press conference. Let's call it a press conference. Premeditated questions and pre-designed, pre-developed answers by the Honorable Prime Minister. I don't blame the interviewer. And let me say this. I don't blame the interviewer. She has been put there for a job already decided for. Because there are, if that was the case, why hasn't Modi or our Honorable Prime Minister called for a general press conference like most Prime Ministers have called here? Why has he not been able to, reconcile himself to these sticking questions, cross questions that were coming from the media for him to answer, because he would never want to answer them. And here is a set question, 18 questions, and he has elaborated 55 minutes of nonsensical banter. There is a new narrative today, which the Prime Minister has talked about. The new narrative on Notebandi. Have you heard the Honorable Prime Minister say that this information or this advisory was given to him, to the people, a year earlier? You and I am asking you, did you have any indication where demonetization was going to take place? Has anybody from amongst our media friends, will they tell me that they had advisory of the Notebandi or the demonetization a day, 2 days, 10 days, 1 month, or let alone 1 year? This was the biggest, blunderous thing that the Prime Minister alone, without the help of any of his cabinet colleagues, without the help of any people in the government, except perhaps Amit Shah, because immediately on the day of Notebandi, there was a huge amount deposited in Ahmedabad Cooperative Bank in Ahmedabad. Even today, the old notes are being banked with that bank. Even today. And new notes have been exchanged for it. This Notebandi has stopped or destroyed our relationships with Nepal.